What's up, humans? Coming to you. It's something like the end of July. I'm not sure what date it is. Just had a conversation with a young man in McDonald's, and he said that I asked him if he'd learned anything by working at McDonald's, and he said that he talked about how he was able to cheer people up, and sometimes based on that, they would buy something additional, like an apple pie or something. And I said, so you're a good salesman, or you're a salesman? And he's like, not nearly as good as my brother. And I said, only compare yourself to yourself. And as I was walking out, I recalled the saying, only compare yourself to who you were yesterday. And so one of the problems that people have in life is being too hard on themselves and comparing themselves to others instead of what we would say in recovery circles is progress, not perfection. So I just want to be a bit encouraging right now and just say to you, hey, sorry, shadow on my face. Progress, not perfection. Only compare yourself to who you were yesterday, because you don't know the struggle that other people are going through. You don't know what they had to go through to get to where they are. No matter how good their life looks, everybody is struggling with something. So I just want to bless you with that. Hopefully that encourages you, and I hope you have a great day.